標な夜だけどどよめききらめきと君も
Hey guys, it's me Donna. So this time pala guys ay gagawa tayo ng butterfly bookmarks. Yung gamit natin ay yung gunting at saka yung construction paper. Yan lang ang gagamitin natin guys para makagawa tayo ng magandang butterfly bookmark. So ready na ba kayo? Guys, yung butterfly bookmarks. Pagkatapos natin gumawa ng ganyang mga steps, nakagawa tayo ng easy bookmark butterfly. So, hindi na kayo gagastos ng maraming pambili ng bookmark kasi magagawa nyo lang yan guys. So much creative pa. And yun lang guys. Please subscribe. It's me, Donna, for more videos, fonts, tutorials like this. And that's all lang guys.